How to see block list on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see block list on WhatsApp. To see the block list on WhatsApp, first of all open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and here make sure you have logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page at the top right, you'll be able to see three dots icon. Tap on those three dots and from this menu here you will need to select settings option. Tap on settings and once you reach to the settings page, here you will need to look for the option privacy. Once you find this privacy option, you will need to tap on it to open it. Inside it, here you will need to scroll down and then there you will be able to see block contacts option. Go ahead and tap on this option. And now here you'll be able to see the contact list that you have blocked previously. These contacts will not be able to call or message you. Now from here, if you want to unblock someone, you can just tap and hold the number here and then tap on this unblock option. By doing so, they will get unblocked and they will be able to call or message you. So by following these steps, you should be able to see the block list on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.